Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve systems of equations using the method of substitution. So I have two different example problems here. One of them has a variable solved for already, or I should say alone on one side, and the other, number 2, does not have a variable alone first. So I'm going to show you what to do in each example problem. So when you start a substitution problem, you're looking for one of the equations, so one of these, we'll start with one, having a variable that's alone. This y is alone. So let's go ahead and zoom in here on this. So because this y is alone, I know that y is all of this right here. So I'm going to take that and plug it into the other equation's y, because that's what y is. So let's rewrite that bottom equation with y now as x minus 4. So I have 2x minus, and you always want to use parentheses when you plug something in. X minus 4 equals 6. Let's solve it. I know that I have an invisible 1 here, so first I'm going to do distribution. That's also why you always want to use parentheses to plug the numbers in case this happens. So I have 2x, negative 1 times positive 1x is negative 1x. Negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4 equals 6. Combine like terms. 2 minus 1 is 1x. Bring down the rest. Undo addition with subtraction. And 1x is just x, so x equals 2. And now we're not finished. Whenever you are doing any system of equations problems, you need your answer to be in ordered pair form. So you need x comma y. So we need to find what y is. So we're going to take this x, which is 2, and plug it into either of these two x's here. It doesn't matter, you'll get the same answer if you solve for y, but the top one is going to be the easiest to solve for. So let's plug it into that x. Y is equal to 2 minus 4. So 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And then you'll write your answer as x comma y. So my x is 2, and my y is negative 2. And that is our answer to number 1. All right, so in number 2 over here, it's different because we don't have a variable solved for already. So you want to solve for one first. You always want to look for what's easiest to solve for. In this one, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use the top equation, and I'm just going to solve for x. It doesn't matter what you solve for. You could solve for this y, you could solve for this y. You probably don't want to solve for this x because then you'll have fractions. So you want to do whatever makes your life easiest. So I'm going to take this equation right here, and I'm going to get x alone. So to get x alone, I'm going to get rid of the y. It's being added, so to undo addition, use subtraction. So x is equal to 5 minus y. Now you'll take that is x, and plug it into the other equation's x. So let's rewrite that bottom equation now. 3 parentheses times 5 minus y plus y equals 11. So see, I just rewrote this whole equation here, but instead of x, I put 5 minus y. Now I'll solve it. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times negative y is negative 3y. Bring down the rest. Combine like terms. So negative 3 plus 1, there's an invisible 1 there, is negative 2y equals 11. And now it's just a two-step equation. So let's zoom out here a little bit. Move the 15 over. We want to get y alone now. The 15 is a positive, so we need to subtract it. So I have negative 2y equals negative 4. And get rid of this -2. It's being multiplied by y. So to undo multiplication, you use division. So y is equal to +2. And now we have to find x. So you're going to take this y, which is 2, and you can plug it into this y, or this y, or this y. It doesn't matter which one you do. I personally see that plugging it into this y that I've circled is going to be the easiest. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take that, and let's plug it into this y right here. So x equals 5 minus 2. X equals 3. So my final answer, right, is x comma y, 3 comma 2. And that is how you solve systems of equations using substitutions. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you would like more math help. Thanks for watching.